Imagine wearing a nice outfit and looking your best, but your hair is all frizzy. Not a good sight, right? Well, frizzy hair can be annoying, especially when nothing seems to be able to tame it. It is often seen that people with curly hair are more prone to frizziness, as the natural oils produced by the scalp can't travel down the hair shaft. However, people with straight hair can also experience frizziness. Lack of moisture, chemical damage, friction, and humidity can cause frizzy hair in their case. So if you're tired of tying your frizzy hair in a bun to just not deal with it, then we are here to tell you some tips to keep your hair sleek, smooth, and frizz-free. To reduce frizz, you should pick the shampoos with hydrating ingredients like glycerin, which absorbs the extra moisture in the air and create a protective coating over the strands. You can also add a small amount of glycerin to your shampoo or conditioner to add moisture. Apart from this, ensure that you trim your frizzy hair regularly to keep the split ends at bay. If you use a cotton towel to dry your frizzy hair, then you should stop immediately, as cotton towels can cause friction and breakage. Microfiber towels are more gentle on your strand and are best suited to tame the frizziness. Also remember to not rub your wet hair too hard with the towel, as it can damage your hair. Using a moisturizing hair mask once a week can do wonders to your frizzy hair. And no, you don't need to go to a fancy salon for a pricey hair treatment, as it can all be done with the help of some simple kitchen ingredients. All you have to do is mix 2 eggs with 3 spoonfuls of olive oil and leave the mixture on your strands for 20 minutes. Wash your hair with warm water using a mild shampoo. Believe it or not, replacing your cotton pillowcase with a silk one can actually change your hair game. A gentler fabric like silk can help maintain your hair's natural oils and reduce the amount of friction and damage it's exposed to overnight. We know that styling the hair using heat and hairspray looks enticing, but you should definitely skip doing this. The high amount of heat from the blow drying or straightening can damage the hair cuticles, causing frizz. Even hairsprays are a big no for you, as they contain drying alcohols, which just worsens the hair quality. So we hope that you follow our simple yet effective tips and turn your frizzy hair into fabulous. Stay tuned for more and do subscribe to SHOWSHA for more such videos.